YouTube, what it do? Yours truly, the Garage Chronicles. It's been a minute, but we back, better than ever.
Yep.
Got my boy Big Germ right here.
What's going on, y'all? We back at it again.
And today, y'all, let me show y'all what's going on. So, let me get that camera straight. That's the caddy right now. Now I know y'all looking. What are they doing? What happened? So, while we've been gone, y'all, we've been putting our focus on getting the caddy actually running right, where you could take it out on the street and drive it. That's one thing it couldn't do. We finally accomplished that, y'all. Let me show y'all. The whole disc brakes was custom made by us. We did a lot of welding, a lot of fabrication. We had to run all brand new lines. I will show y'all in the hood, but I got some stuff in there. But it took a lot to get this car to run. Now, what we doing is we going back through the paint. We about to repaint the thing, the same color, and we're gonna add a rose gold metallic like flake in the paint. So it'll be like blue with a rose gold type metallic flake. On top of that, we're gonna be doing the rims, rose gold, the bumpers all rose gold, and the trims all rose gold. These bumpers and trims that's on here is more like a copper color. But we about to do some body work right now because I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When we first painted it, y'all, I don't know if y'all seen it, but that paint wasn't it. Had a lot of imperfections in it. It was lumpy when you look down the side. So we taking time out now, y'all, to get this thing 100% right. We about to block sand the whole car. We're gonna bundle, glaze, do whatever we gotta do to make this car show ready. So thanks for rocking with us. We about to get to it. And like they always tell you in school, make it happen.
See? And that's what the problem was. and that's exactly why we set it in right now. Because last time he did that exact same fucking thing. He started getting tired and lazy.
He caught it on camera. So we're making a little progress. I've been attacking that guide coat. This right here is real labor, y'all. I applaud anybody that do this on a daily basis, but pretty much like we were saying earlier, we just got to get the body real smooth, y'all. We cheated ourselves the first time around, but that was the first time around, and I'm glad we did it like that, so now I can really perfect it. But once I get that guide coat, right now I'm using 80 grit. Once I get that guide coat all the way down, I'm gonna come back around. I'm gonna hit it with a lighter grit. I'm gonna work my way up to 320, get it real smooth. Then I'm probably gonna primer the sides. Now, we only gotta block the sides. The hood, roof, trunk, all that came out straight. But if you go back to our old video, before we painted it, when we sanded it down, with an old car like this, we should have took the whole car down to the metal. But like we always say, we not professionals. And that's the fun part about it. You know what I mean? You learn as you go. So I'm gonna finish up this back half of this guide coat, and I'm gonna tune y'all in when I'm done with that. Let y'all see what it's looking like. But I'm really excited about putting a new paint on here, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I finished up the block on this side. It was hell of a job, but I got it done. I still gotta come back, finish the other side, but we got the big part done. Now, the whole purpose of this block was we wanted it to look good when you come down and look at it from the side like this. Y'all know what I mean? At first, the way it was looking with that old paint, it had lumps in it, it had chips in it, but it's a rookie mistake. We know professionals and we all learning as we go. Also, what we didn't show on video, we did paint under the engine bay. You can see it's all black, clean black under there. The stabilizers are red. Valve covers, rose gold. So it looks pretty good under there, but we still got some motor work to do. But our main focus is getting this paint wet up now. We're trying to make this paint show quality. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back, hit that other side. Then I'm gonna do a few more passes with some higher grit, and we're gonna get the paint laid on there. But with that being said, I thank y'all for rocking with us. That's gonna be it for today's video. And yeah, peace out. We'll be back tomorrow, y'all.